Monday din Kohima NPWD Conference Hall day Minister for PWD Road and Bridge G.Kaito Aye aro Tribal Hohos Kandu meeting thagishe. Foothill Road Construction related meeting rakishe. NLTV Kotakura Homai Minister PWD G.Kaito Aye pra janai dishegi tai khan laga corporation extend kuribole aro contractors khange janibo karni meeting thagishe goise. Manu khan laga corporation napaya laga contractor kandu duk pawo aro manu khan para babna kura nishna project tu bahal pra kuribo na paribo koise. Ayabra aro janaishe gi department laga guidelines hisab te Foothill Road Construction du supervised kuribo koise. Raw materials laga availability laga khota kura homoy Kaito bra koise gi idu Foothill Road ase idu kura idu karni raw materials te iko digdar na thakibole lage aro Foothill Road tu expected time de khatam hobo lage koise. Foothill Road Construction bahal pra implement koribo karni corporation DB koigena manu khan ge appeal korise.
Few tribe at the Foothill area people, the Tribal Hohos, to give us cooperation or in our effort to get through the road through contractors. Unless contractors get cooperation from the people, they may suffer certain difficulties from here and there. That's why, along with my engineer, chief engineer, we sought the cooperation of the people to get through the project expected by the people, and this is a welfare project. Therefore, the people of this area needs want that this road to be through very soon. Therefore, I have appealed to the people to give us full cooperation in order to get through this road.
Sir, there is any proper resolution that has been come up during the meeting with the Apex Tribal Hohos?
No,
proper implementation of this Foothill Road.
There's only departmental guidelines is there. So we go as per the specification and the department, the DPR speaks. And technical people supervise accordingly. We thought that we will not compromise the project at any cost. Certainly it will be successful. When you give your mind, why not we get through? But we need people's cooperation. And depending on the raw materials available also. Sometimes in certain areas we fail to get raw materials nearby, but since this is a Foothill Road, it will not be much problem for us to get through because raw materials are available nearby. So I am confident that the road will be through with expected completion on time also. We have made little delay because of alignment and all these things. So we make the people proud.
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.